Oh man, been walking to try to get to the house for over half an hour. I'm really close. There's the house. Problem is, every time I step down, I go down about 3 feet. So, taking me a longer time. I thought this would have been a shortcut to get to the house faster. But, turns out, not so much. I'm exhausted, man. Half an hour of, I walked 3 kilometers, and this is about half a kilometer from the road to my place. So in total it'll be about when I get there, 3.5 hours of walking through 4 foot, sometimes 5 feet deep snow. So one time I was actually up to my waist. I had to kind of dig a channel. Yeah, I was gonna tape that. Kind of hard to hold the phone and dig yourself out of a 5-foot hole. Oh. That's me. Oh. Trying not to fall. I'm out of breath. My legs feel like lead because I gotta lift them up so high. Feel like I was getting ready for a marathon or something. Jesus Murphy. Okay, I'm putting the phone away. I'll talk to you in a little bit.